Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop image into circle in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Drawing. Then you need to go to New, and here you need to click on this icon. This icon is image. We need to open it. Now I go to Upload tab and I click on Browse. Then I need to select image which I want to edit, so I click on this image and I click Open button. And how you see, image has been successfully added to editor. Now if we want to crop it into circle, we need to click on this arrow and we need to go to shapes. Now I select here oval, I click on it, and how you see, your image has been successfully cropped into circle. You can modify dimensions if you want, everything depends on your preferences. So how you see, it really works. If you are sure that you want to insert this image to your document, you need to click Save and Close button. And how you see, it has been successfully inserted here. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.